Hello friends. Look at this article. Cyber attacks are becoming more frequent and sophisticated as technology advances. To counter these threats effectively, it's crucial to enter the cybersecurity field and become skilled in ethical hacking. To become an ethical hacker, you should first master these 4 key skills. First skill is to understand the basics. Understanding the basics of cybersecurity is like ensuring the foundation and pillars of a building are strong. Without them, the advanced structures can collapse under pressure. So, some basic knowledge you should have includes networking, how websites work, and how messages are transmitted over the internet. Once you grasp these fundamentals, you'll need to apply your knowledge practically, which brings us to our next skill, that is programming languages. With a solid understanding of the basics, you should now focus on programming. Learning at least one programming language is essential for ethical hacking. Python is highly recommended because it's beginner-friendly and powerful for creating automated tools. Now that you have a programming foundation, it's time to explore the tools that are required for hacking. Familiarizing yourself with essential hacking tools is the next step. Kali Linux is a popular open-source operating system packed with over 600 tools used in hacking. After mastering Linux and tools like Burp Suite and Wireshark, you can enhance your skills further by participating in Capture the Flag (CTF) challenges. To effectively practice and apply what you've learned, you'll need platforms designed for hands-on experience. There are various practice platforms like Hack the Box, HTB, that offer real-world scenarios to test your skills. Additionally, watching YouTube tutorials on CTF challenges can provide valuable insights and strategies. After gaining experience and improving your skills, obtaining certifications will help validate your expertise and improve your job prospects. Basic certifications such as CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, and CompTIA Security Plus can get you started, while more advanced certifications like OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, are valuable for specializing in blue teaming or red teaming. With these skills and certifications, you'll be well prepared for a successful career in ethical hacking. At last, I want to say that success in any field requires more than just effort, it demands consistency. Just as a finely tuned machine runs smoothly with every part working in harmony, so too does your journey toward your goals thrive on the consistency of your actions. Remember, in the pursuit of excellence, consistency is key. Best of luck for all of you. One day you will become a top hacker, so keep practicing.